funny. I'm out here, but I'm always reflecting. When I'm driving, I'm always reflecting on things and things that I should have done or could have done. And one of the things that I remember is that, I started off as a temp, and it was almost like there was a secret, and I wasn't privy to it. And what I mean by that is, like, I knew about credit a long time ago. I knew about how to invest, making money, buying gold, buying property, land. And even when I was in my 30s, I ran for office. And there were meetings happening, and obviously it was for me, but there were still things that were being talked about that I wasn't really privy to. And I realized that, there's a sense of entitlement to some. And sometimes if you don't go after it, and you don't take the time to read, or you don't take the time to listen, really pay attention to what's going on, you're going to miss it. And it's everyday, it's simple things. And we're brainwashed to believe that we shouldn't have. So we think in lack. When we're talking about money, we're always broke, or we think that way. We think that we need to pay our bills, don't have any credit, don't have a credit card. We don't know, we don't understand the value of some of these things that have been put in place. So over the years, one of the things that I've learned is that just because it doesn't work for someone else doesn't necessarily mean it's not good for you. What's good for you may not be good for me, but what's good for me may not be good for you. I don't know that you put the same effort that I would in something, and you're just telling me about your bad experience. There's a whole lot of things that go along with that. Maybe you had an attitude. Maybe somebody didn't like you. They didn't want to share that information with you. Maybe they shared it, but you didn't hear what they were trying to say. So I say all of this to say, at the end of the day, anything you want, if you can see it and it's a thought in your mind, it's possible. It's possible. Whether somebody else thought of it or maybe it's a new idea, it doesn't matter. All of these things that's happening in this world, inventions, innovative systems, everything came from somebody's idea. And so it's for you to go out there and get it. Talk to the people that you know is going to lift you up. Ask questions. Go to the bank. Write it down. Go to the bank. Ask questions. You don't have to necessarily ask it on your behalf. Just ask simple questions so that you understand how systems work and how it's going to work for you. And just do it. That's the message that I want to give out today. Just do it.